Hello everyone. Today we're exploring two essential ideas in economics: positive versus normative analysis and the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let's start with positive economics. Positive economics focuses on it's about facts, data, and cause and effect relationships we can test or measure. For example, an increase in the minimum wage will lead to higher labor costs for businesses. That's a statement we can analyze using data, so it's positive, not opinion-based. In contrast, normative economics deals with what ought to be. It's based on opinions, beliefs, or values rather than measurable facts. For instance, the government should raise the minimum wage to help workers earn a living wage. That's a normative statement. It expresses a viewpoint, not a testable fact. Question 1. Can you think of one positive statement and one normative statement about college tuition? Take a moment to discuss or write down your ideas. When economists analyze data or debate policies, they must know which type of statement they're using. Positive analysis helps explain how the world works. Normative analysis helps decide what goals society should pursue. Now let's connect this to another key distinction in economics: the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics studies individual parts of the economy, like households, firms, and specific markets. Answers questions such as, why do people buy more of a product when its price falls? Or, how does a company decide how much to produce? Macroeconomics, on the other hand, studies the economy as a whole. It looks at big issues like unemployment, inflation, economic growth, and government policy. Question 2. Which question would a macroeconomist study and which would a microeconomist study? 1. Why did the U.S. unemployment rate rise last year? 2. Why do pizza shops hire more workers when demand increases? Great! The first question is macroeconomic. It focuses on the entire economy. The second is microeconomic. It looks at decisions in one specific market. Both perspectives are essential for understanding how people, businesses, and governments interact in the economy. Let's summarize. Positive equals facts and testable ideas. Normative equals opinions and values. Micro equals individual markets. Macro equals the entire economy. Understanding these distinctions helps you think like an economist, separating what is from what ought to be. It also helps you see how small decisions at the micro level connect to larger outcomes in the macroeconomy. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing those economic ways of thinking. And remember, every big question starts with knowing whether it's positive or normative, micro or macro.